Hi, bud. Can Mommy find that ticklish spot again? Where's your ticklish spot? Huh? Did Mommy find it? Huh? Oh, did I get it? Did I get it? Where are you going? Are you trying to get away? Are you trying to get away? Come here. Come here, I'll get you. Come here, I'll get you. Come on. You want me to get that ticklish spot? Should I get it? Did Mama get you? What, did I get you? Yeah? Look at you, big boy. Push-ups. You working out? Are you working out? Come on. Can you scoot over here? Can you get over here? No. What? I'm right here. You're okay. Yes. Come on. Oh, is it so funny? Is it so funny? Hey. Oh, yeah? Huh? Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Dada? Can you say dada? What about Max? Come on. Come on. Papa? My. All done? I thought you were going to talk a little bit. We're going to talk a little bit? Hey. Say mama. Mama.